If you want to make money by promoting the shoes on your website, then this video is for you, because in this I am reviewing the Nike affiliate program and everything you need to know about the Nike affiliate marketing or affiliate products. So first of all, you have to search for the Nike affiliate program on your Google. It will take you to this page, and from here you can go to apply now. And Nike affiliate program is works with the Awin network, so you have to join the Awin network, and from there you can apply for the Nike affiliate program. So as they have promoted here that the Nike products are sold across the world in 160 countries, so you have a lot of scope to make money. The one thing that you have to remember, that you have to apply for the Nike affiliate program, and not necessarily that every person who would apply for the program will be selected for this. As they have said it on the top, that selected websites can earn the commission from the Nike products. So their commission structure is that they are going to pay you 11% for each valid sale. The cookies duration is 30 days. So once you join their affiliate program, they will provide you the category specific affiliate banners also. So the promotional material is not generic, but it is specific to whatever the product you want to promote. So here, as I've already covered, that they have explained that who can become the partner: the sports sites, the fashion clothing shoes websites, news sites, health and fitness sites, the true content sites, shopping directories, and bloggers. And how can you urge your target audience to buy from your affiliate link? They have said that they will give the free delivery on eligible orders. Occasionally they would also launch the sales, which will be for a shorter time, and in certain cases where the delivery is not free, they are going to charge the lower delivery rates. You can join this with the Commission Junction also. If you have a Commission Junction account, you can search for the Nike there also, but if you apply here, it will take you to the Awin networks. You can also promote the Nike products onto the affiliate YouTube channel. You can buy any of these products, and you can review these products onto the YouTube, and you can add a link in the description. As you might be aware that the Nike is not only confined to making the shoes, they make a whole range of clothing for the men, women, kids, and as you can see here, that they have a large variety of the clothes on their websites, and you can promote the products that are linked or related to your niche. You can buy these products, review them, and then by adding the affiliate links into your review article. We are making a series in which we are reviewing the affiliate programs of different popular companies. You can also check out the playlist in the description of this video or on the channel page. In any case, thanks for watching till the end. Like, share and subscribe.